This episode explores the typewriter, born in the 1860s through a clash of clockwork precision and industrial literacy. Its evolution from bulky machines to portable models transformed business, journalism, and personal communication, accelerating the spread of ideas. Lesser-known fact, the QWERTY layout was designed to slow typists to prevent jams, not for speed. The typewriter's impact extended to education and bureaucratic systems, enabling standardized records and faster legal documentation. In the digital age, it inspired word processors and keyboards, linking craftsmanship with mass literacy and global collaboration and creativity.